This is TWiT.
Something happened while I was gone. I was kind of surprised. A guy in a white beard and a red suit dropped something off while I was gone. In fact, let me show you, because maybe you can tell me. Yeah, something happened, and it barely fit under the Christmas tree. Here, I'll turn my microphone so you can hear
Alex,
me
just
shouting.
shove that Surface off his desk. Just shove that Surface right off his desk. Make him some room.
This thing is huge. What is this? Oh! I blame Renee Richards.
Talk about generating heat.
By the way, I love the wedge-shaped box. That's the first giveaway, isn't it?
Yep. It's a tauntaun.
So I guess we should open this.
I think so.
Have you bought one yet, Alex?
I have not. I'm waiting to see how yours works.
Renee, you got one, right?
So I was so close to buying one in the store, but the ones in the store do not come with the trackpads, and I don't cotton to Apple mouses, so I delayed my purchase.
Well, I blame you for this, Renee. You talked me into it on our last Mac Break Weekly.
I'll take it. Look, it's gorgeous. It's space gray. That's all you need to know.
It's gray.
It's the box.
It's gray.
So beautiful.
This is the iMac Pro for those of you listening at home, and it came on December. It was supposed to come December 28th. It came the day after Christmas. 26th.
Oh.
The 26th.
Boxing Day.
It came a little sooner.
It was really unboxing day.
So this is I wasn't here. I was in the Caribbean. I got a notice on my phone. Your iMac Pro has arrived. Enjoy. And I went, oh.
And none of the heavy-fingered TWiT folks opened it for you?
Well, you know what? I've been home for 3 days, and it took great fortitude not to rush into the office and open this.
Because
I can't
you
figure out how to open the keyboard.
Yeah. And of course, the box is too pretty to put shipping labels on it, so they have to ship it inside another custom-made box just to protect the box art.
Yes. The world that there's
well, if the box came damaged, people would sue, Andy.
Oh, look!
That
was nice.
Oh, look at that.
It's a major award.
So the front just kind of lies down. There's the steel gray.
The keyboard's steel gray too.
It's pretty. Yeah, everything's steel gray, right?
Even the monitor, the screen cover is steel gray.
There must be a mouse in there
look
too.
Look at that, and it's got the full keyboard.
It's almost a black keyboard. It's a beautiful keyboard.
Just make sure that you can properly look down on all your friends because you have Pro.
Remember, there mustn't be any color or any joy expressed in the product.
So Renee convinced
nothing but
me
bleakness.
Guilty. Said the sweet spot is the 10.
Sorry, not sorry, Leo.
10 core, 64 gig RAM, right?
Look at
that has the highest frequency.
That is, you still have to charge it on the bottom.
Yeah.
But it is a beautiful mouse, a black mouse. And you know, even what's nice, even the paper that they
with a
cover the screen in is
and the stickers. Wait till you see the stickers, Leo.
There's stickers?
Look at this.
Yeah.
It comes with a charging cable, a black lightning. By the way, you could always get lightning charging cables in black from other companies. This is the first time Apple's ever made a black lightning charging
Apple invents black.
And here come the stickers, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I got black stickers with my Mac trash can. Are there stickers?
Hold on.
Oh, Alex, the best part in here. This is what you pay 10 grand for.
There was no stickers at all. I don't know what happened to them.
But I already have black stickers.
Yeah, but now you got
black
4
you
black
can have
stickers.
those.
Leo, that's 4 more than the rest of us.
I now have 4 black stickers. All right. Let's take this off. You could just slip this off here.
Push that Surface. Make some space for it.
Woo! Purdy. Sorry to block you, Renee, but the thing is so damn big.
Please. It's so much better looking than I am.
You know, what would have been really cool is if this little cleaning thing was Vanta Black.
Oh,
that would have been.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Of course, it would have been worth
Star Wars reference.
No, it's like that super black black that is that
absence of all light.
Of course, it would cost as much as the computer, but it would have been worth it.
All right, we're removing the screen protection. That means we own it now, right?
Yep.
Especially when you rip it in the middle.
Oh, we ripped it in the middle. How am I going to put that back in the box?
Just be careful when you put it in your pocket without that screen protector.
So the funny thing is, aside from the color, you're not going to notice anything different about this, right? I mean,
it's exactly to the millimeter the same casing as the current iMac.
Oh, but it looks so cool.
The fan vent on the back, Leo. That's the giveaway.
Boy, I have to say, you know, and this is the way it was with the first iMac. It's nice to not have a lot of wires. You know, you just
Can Karsten just put me in that iMac for the show?
it's got one wire coming out the back. Of course, there's another wire to charge your. Here, let me show you the back side. It's pretty too. Oh, they even put a sticker on the apple.
You don't want to scratch the apple.
Oh, that's a shiny apple. $8,000 as configured.
Ooh.
That's again the 10-core. I can't remember how big a hard drive, but you all told me not to get a giant hard drive.
Yes,
because
hang that off.
It's one. That was the only choice, I guess.
the fiber cloth that comes with it is quite nice. It's got a certain level of
Lindsay approved.
Lindsay approved.
I have a
fiber
lot of
cloth.
fiber cloths, and I just tested it on my glasses. It worked quite well.
Where'd the keyboard? Oh, the keyboard's. All of this is wireless, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yep.
So I don't need anything.
Use a lightning cable to pair it, but then after that, it's wireless.
Oh, you do use the lightning cable. That's why they put a lightning cable in the box.
It charges it and it pairs. It does that instant pairing thing.
Yeah. So to start it up, I should put the lightning cable in the keyboard.
Yeah.
So I see
the
1, 2,
back of
3,
the-
4 Type A USB ports and 1, 2, 3, 4 Type C USB ports. That's nice.
Multiple ports on a pro machine.
Wow.
Okay.
10 gigabit Ethernet, right? That's nice.
Yeah.
And an SD card reading slot.
Yeah.
What the what? I thought
SD card.
I thought SD cards were
Don't
deprecated.
that's
complain
quite
about the
nice.
position or they'll take it away. Just be very careful right now.
You know, though, I'm going to forget that I have that.
Yep.
Well, because maybe you don't want to spin the screen around every time you want.
I know,
to
that's
get a card
the-
in there. So
Yeah. Well, you fumble it, you feel it.
I have a little
Andy, don't
reader
say
that's
that.
stuck
They'll
to
take it
my
away.
foot.
All right, the on-off switch is
What's
as
the little
always
sticker
on
at
an
the
iMac.
bottom there? Is that just a
I
close
thought,
off
I thought Phil said because pro photographers use compact flash cards because they can't make everybody happy. They decided the smartest thing to do was to take away
Nothing.
the
Make
SD
everybody
card.
miserable.
Yeah. If you can't make it, but now my camera, all but my 5D, and 5D even has an SD card. All but my or is it
even our
two?
camera, even our Blackmagic video cameras are
Have
SD,
SD.
cards.
Yeah, and my Sony A9 is SD, so that's fine.
I think it's great.
Your Olympus is an SD
And this is
card.
10 gig Ethernet.
My
10
Olympus
gig.
is SD. My audio, everything is SD.
Yeah, so I don't mind an SD reader.
Hope you
I
didn't
don't want to say that Phil was saying something silly because he's the head of marketing. Maybe.
You know, I think the people will just get
Phil's
real.
a Leica guy.
I think people will just get really good.
My
at reaching around.
Leica uses an SD
Yeah.
card. We don't have enough room for everybody. Go
Still needs
ahead,
power,
John.
doesn't it?
You do the
No,
honors. Press that on-off switch there. All right, we're gonna boot up. Does it make a special bong? Does it make anything? Is it plugged in?
Oh, you can make a special bong out of
Yeah.
anything. You're Northern California, man.
That's right. Pot is now legal today, as of yesterday, in recreational marijuana.
This tea has gotten a lot better. I can tell you that for nothing.
like Renee. Renee's peeking over the top. Kilroy was here. All right, well, it's dead on arrival. Thank you very much, everybody. That's the iMac Pro.
Oh,
there
There
it
it goes. I just had to think for a little while.
There, I was thinking. Oh, there's a lot of RAM. Was that a big, long RAM test? Is that what I can expect from now on, Renee?
Well, I mean, do you reboot them a lot, Leo?
Never.
Yeah.
People have been saying, oh, good. Can I have the Surface Studio? I'm not giving up the Surface Studio. If this iMac was a touchscreen and lay flat, I would. But
Exactly.
but it doesn't do either
Why
of
don't
those
you
things.
turn the Surface Studio into a giant Wacom tablet for your iMac? You can have
I might do that. No, this thing is, I think I'm going to take this home. I don't think I'm even going to leave it here. There's really no reason for this to exist. Not in my life anyway, but I'm,
It's going to be your new home media service.
It needs to connect to the
mouse. It wants the mouse first.
mouse.
The hell? Okay.
So unplug that keyboard.
That
plug
is
it in.
You gotta turn it on.
Oh,
The
that
mouse
is
is
an
off.
extremely cryptic.
The mouse is off.
It's off.
Is it on?
Turn it on. Okay. It should have enough juice, right? So the keyboard's connected, and now the mouse is on. There we go.
There you go.
Now it's working. Next. I won't be using either this keyboard or
Language.
the mouse for any length of time.
I was going to say, I think the magic mouse that comes with this new iMac, it's going to be
English is
the
the
most
top. It's already
gorgeous
selected.
mouse in anybody's drawer ever.
Yes.
What does that say? I can't read it.
Bluetooth, to pair the Bluetooth keyboard, turn it on and wait for your computer to connect to it.
It's not on.
Maybe it's not on.
Dummy.
I gotta remember to turn mine off. I always just leave it on.
Well, it goes to sleep.
What's the little slot on the keyboard that's up at the top? Is there up on the front part? Is that a slot?
Yeah. It looks like a, it's something.
I know.
What do you think that is? It's got rubber in it. Don't know.
Mine has that too. I don't know what that's for either.
It's aesthetics.
Oh.
Okay, now sees the keyboard. You have that too. That's you have the little.
That's on the regular old like the silver version that us mortals have.
Didn't it already ask what language? All right, it's still asking. Oh,
it's thinking.
But I'm a trackpad user, like all good-hearted people.
All right, I don't know if I'll go through this whole setup. It's too bright. Can you iris down a little bit so that we can see it? And B, it looks just like setting up any other Mac. It's just dark, right?
It should show you all the cores firing at once, so people know you're.
I'd love to see that. Wouldn't you love to see that?
You could use
There is software, multi-monitor or whatever. iStat monitor.
iStat.
Yeah.